Hi, Pauric here at McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2018 Hyundai i30. This is the 1 litre fastback edition, finished in a grey metallic paint. It's got a low road tax of just €200 and it's taxed up until the end of November. It's sold with 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. It'll be NCT'd up until 2024 and the car has a full service history. Now we take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front fog lights as standard with the daytime running lights. It's got the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got the fold-in wing mirrors. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got very clean bodywork all around. It's got the rear parking sensors. It's got a nice size spacious boot with fold-down seats for additional space. Plenty of legroom in the back. Got the Isofix for the car seats on both sides. Centre armrest and cup holders. It's finished in a black cloth interior with front armrest. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Multifunctional steering wheel, built-in radio and phone controls. It's got the cruise control. It's got the touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the satellite navigation. It's got the air conditioning, USB and aux port. It's got the front and rear dash cams fitted. Manual handbrake, reversing camera. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. And there's 93,699 kilometers on the clock. This Hyundai would make an ideal size family car or starter car, and here at McNally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and book a test drive. Thank you very much.